Hey everybody, today I'm gonna make Kentucky Bloody Batwings.
Start by mixing up 1/2 cup Bachan Japanese barbecue sauce or any other flavored sauce you prefer, 1/4 cup warm honey, 1/3 cup olive oil, 1/3 cup low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 4 minced cloves of garlic, the juice from 1 lime, and 10 drops of black food coloring. Whisk together and pour in a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. Fill the excess room in the bag with water and massage around so as to make sure the wings are not crammed together so your food coloring covers them evenly. Put your bag back in your mixing bowl just in case it leaks and refrigerate overnight. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and place a greased wire rack over the baking sheet. Remove wings from marinade and bake for 40 minutes until golden and crispy, or 165 degrees, whichever is first.
Finish them off with some hot sauce. They're bloody-rific good.